Hi guys, today we're going to be starting the packing process for my 2-week vacation, and as you can see here, I have a few things laid out that we're going to start going over right now. Okay, so the first thing that I figured we'd talk about is what I actually carry when I'm traveling. So this is my personal item. This is a Longchamp tote, and this one is especially nice because it's expandable, so it expands to 3 times one spot. So this goes down to around here, and it's nice because if you end up getting things on your vacation, you can always expand it and carry it home if you'd like. Of course, if you expand it and put more things in it, then it gets heavier, so I don't know, it's just something to consider. So I do like that it has these straps here so you can like carry it, you know, with the top handles, and then it has a pretty nice size strap that you can use. So I normally carry it this way when I'm moving around the airport, sometimes depending on how heavy it is, and when I'm out on a boat, as in like, you know, going from the airport to my hotel and whatnot, then I just wear it crossbody, which is pretty nice. The next item is my actual everyday purse that I carry around, and this is a old Coach bag that my mom gave me, which actually has been like indispensable. I used this on my last vacation. So it's like an accordion opening, so this is how large it is, which is hard to see because it's black inside, but it holds a considerable amount of things, like everything that I need for the day can fit in here, like camera, extra batteries, etc. So it's really nice, and this can be worn as a shoulder bag, so like so, which I like. And then when I'm like, once again, like out and about and concerned possibly about safety, then I will wear it front ways like this. Next thing, of course, is my actual suitcase. So this is a Rimowa suitcase. It's the international carry-on, which means that it's small enough to fit into any overhead bin, especially the ones, I don't know if you guys have traveled to some of these like inter-Europe flights, like the luggage space is like really small, so this will fit on any cabin or in any cabin. So that's one of the reasons why I like it. Of course, because it's polycarbonate, it's super light on its own and sturdy. I have like dropped this several times. One time down a flight of stairs, and it's held up pretty well. It's nice because it has the 4 wheels, which are essential when like moving about the airport, etc. So yeah, talking about the airport, I figured we would talk about what I'm actually gonna wear. So at the airport, I like to be comfortable, but I want to also look decent. So I normally just wear a light top. So this one is from H&M, and you'll see 99% of my clothes are from H&M, so forgive me when I keep on saying that. But this is like a linen blend mock neck top, which is super nice because it doesn't have actual sleeves, because I tend to sweat a lot like when I'm like, you know, moving about, so it's nice. And then these are just some high-waisted mom jeans made from twill, so they're super comfortable and spacious. So that's normally something like that is what I normally wear. And then this is the outerwear that I usually choose for summer and like beginning of fall. It's really nice. Once again, it's from H&M. It has a hood on it, which is good for like light rain or when it gets chilly, and it just strips really nice. It's one of my favorites. I've actually bought this twice now because I love it so much. And then quickly, I like to bring some sort of hat for sun protection. I don't normally wear this to the airport though, so I'll just pack it in my bag. And then in terms of actual clothes that I'm bringing, I'm making a conscious effort to be more minimalist because like I said, I want to do some shopping, so the less things I carry, like the more things I can carry back, essentially. So what I have here is, let's see, I have a few tops, so 2, 4, 6, 7 tops, and we'll just go through them really quickly. So I have this sleeveless top here from H&M, silk top also from H&M, a nice skimpier top. What I like about this is the material is very thick, so you don't need a bra, which is nice. And then of course a basic t-shirt, linen blend top. This one is from Vince. and then a mock slash turtleneck top. This is also from H&M, but I find that this is nice because it's warm and light. I'm gonna be going to Turkey and I'm doing like a very early morning air balloon ride, so it's gonna be really cold, so I have brought this for that purpose. And then a long sleeve silk top. It looks nice and it's pretty airy even though it's light sleeve, so it's nice for like, you know, the summer fall transition. And this one is actually from Theory. They have really nice things like Vince and Theory and H&M are like my favorite stores to shop in. Next up, we're gonna move on to bottoms. So I have 3 bottoms that we're just gonna go over quickly in addition to what I'm wearing at the airport. So this is I think it's a polyester trouser from H&M, and then some silk shorts also from H&M. And I also like to bring some workout clothes, just one set in the event that I am inspired to work out. Most of my workouts are usually mat workouts, so it's hard to do that without an actual mat. Sometimes I'm lucky and the hotel has a gym, so then I try to utilize that. But I am just carrying these shorts. These are Reebok shorts that I got from TJ Maxx, and these are also nice because, as you see in a few, I have a few short dresses here, and I like to wear this underneath, you know, in case something happens. And then to go with that exercise top is just a sports bra that I've worn many times in my videos. This one's from H&M, and it's nice because it can also be worn as an actual top, like if I needed to. Now we're gonna move on to dresses, which is like my secret to like outfits when I'm on vacation, because like the dress is like a complete outfit, so it's nice. So I have 4 dresses here. This one's a short sleeve one. This one I bought from Urban Outfitters a long time ago. This is from the brand Coat. And then a silk blend long dress. This one's from H&M. And then a shift dress. And this one's pretty nice because it has pockets, which are super handy. And this is from Free People. And then the last dress, which is a favorite of mine, this one's from H&M as well. It's a longer dress that's nice and flowy. And then moving on to a few other things. I normally just carry one sleeping set. So this is like a polyester one from H&M. These are shorts and like a sleeveless top, and then one bathing suit because I have a few occasions where I'm going to be at the beach, and then I'm also going to the pool at the spa, so that's that. And then in terms of shoes that I'm actually carrying, so I forgot to mention, but for my actual airport outfit, I'm going to be wearing these shoes, and these ones are from Vince. So I like to carry a walking shoes, but like one that has some coverage in case, because as I mentioned, I'm also going to like Egypt and Jordan. Those places are like sandy and dusty, so these will come in handy as well. And these are the most bulkier of my shoes, so it'll be good to wear them to the airport. And then I also like to bring a pair of sandals. So these are what I'm going to be wearing. They go with all my outfits as well, but it can also be worn at the pool and beach. They are made of leather, so that's not ideal, but I couldn't, or since I'm on a no-buy, I did not purchase any pool slash, you know, beach shoes, so these are gonna have to do. And then the next thing that I like to carry is a pair of more dressier shoes, but like practical. So these are ballet flats. These are from H&M. The other slippers are also from H&M, and these have been super handy. These are actual leather though. I will point out that if you want the best quality things from H&M, then you need to go to the website and find the premium selection section of the website. That's where the best things are. The actual store is a hit or miss in terms of like quality, so just FYI. And then the last few things that I have are just things that I also intend to pack. So this is just a case that I put my toiletries in that are non-liquid, and I normally pack this in my suitcase, but it's nice because it has a hanger on it, so you can like, you know, bring it in the bathroom and shower. And then I have put the rest of my things in this basket, and I'm gonna start packing and show you how I get all this stuff to fit. Okay guys, so I packed all my clothes in my suitcase. So here we have it. So all the clothes are on one side and they fit nicely with a few more hidden pockets here for a few other things that I'll put in there in a minute. And then I forgot to mention that clearly, you know, you need underwear for the trip. So in here I just have a couple bras and then some underwear, and this is a shoe bag that I got from Vince, and I usually keep all my stuff in there so it's nice and organized. So as you can see, this is the second side of the suitcase packed. So I have the sandals here, my flats, and I just put the soles facing each other so I don't have to worry about putting it in a separate bag, and that's good enough for me. And then this is the Coach bag that I normally carry with me, as I mentioned before, and then this is all the toiletries that I have packed. So I'll sneak it out of here real quick. I have my wash rag here, pumice stone because I need to keep my feet looking together, and then I have some makeup in here, so makeup, sponges, brushes, some shea butter. That's what I use to moisturize, and it's nice because it's solid, so I don't have to worry about the liquid requirements. And then I just have a bath bomb here for the rare occasion that one of my hotels has a bathtub, which I'm sure one of them will. Some deodorant, solid sunscreen as well, because the liquid thing is an issue. And then this is my face wash, which is powder. This is I cannot remember the brand. I will put it up there, but yeah, that's what I used to wash my face. And then in the actual pocket here I have a few other things, mostly contact lenses, tweezers, scissors, because you never know when you need those, and things like that. And this is everything together. So it's looking good so far. Over the next few days, if I find anything else that I need to add, then I will. But let's move on to packing my carry-on. Okay, so getting into what I carry in my carry-on with me, that includes a travel blanket, and this one's really nice. I got it from CB2. It's wool, so it keeps you super warm. It comes in this little case, and additionally you can use it as a scarf, so that comes in quite handy. And then I have this memory foam pillow. It folds into a cylinder, so it can fit in this case right here, so that is also handy because otherwise it's quite bulky, but when it's expanded it's nice for being on the plane. And then I have my hat here. I already showed you guys that. And then my wallet and my money belt, which I chatted about in my what's on my wallet / how I organize my finances when I'm on vacation. And then this is the Lomchon bag that I spoke about. I have some hand sanitizer wipes, and then just these sample packs that I need to get rid of. Cottonelle, of course. And then I have a few of my electronic cables, some earplugs, of course, for all the noise that happens. And I just have my Chanel earrings in here. And then, of course, I have my laptop with me. I'm mostly carrying that for YouTube purposes. And then a pair of sunglasses. This is a little expandable shopping tote, which comes in handy for grocery shopping. And then I have my liquids here. So first glance, I have a tinted moisturizer from NARS, a lip gloss, some contact rewriting solutions. I normally wear contacts 99% of the time when I'm on vacation, so it's just easier. A few samples, Jo Malone perfume there, a rosehip seed oil. That's one of my favorite oils to use, and it's nice for vacation because you can use it on your hair, on your face, on your hands, so it's multi-purpose. And then some hand sanitizer, of course, some vitamin C, serum from Drunk Elephant, the Drunk Elephant moisturizer here, Proteini, my eyebrow gel, toothpaste, and I usually try to carry my toothbrush and floss actually with me in my bag so that I can use that when I am on the plane. And then we have some tissue samples that I got from a hotel, some ginger chews because I get nauseous frequently, and then my eye mask to go to sleep. And then this is just a wet pack that I'm gonna pack some of this stuff in, but it's mostly for my pool / beach days. So let's get packing. right, so here is everything packed in there, and it fits quite nicely and is somewhat organized so I can figure out what's what. I always carry my wallet here, and then sunglasses, hand sanitizer, stuff like that. And then of course toiletries in here so I can quickly reach it. And yeah. All right guys, that's gonna be it for the pack with me. Hopefully you were able to get some useful information from this, and I'll see you guys next time.